Did you accidentally delete your WhatsApp status photo or video? Don't panic just yet. What if I told you there's a hidden way to recover your deleted WhatsApp status using your Instagram story archive? Most people have no idea this feature even exists. In this video, I'll show you 5 proven ways to recover deleted WhatsApp status photos and videos on both Android and iPhone. Let's start with the simplest solution first. Check your phone's gallery or Photos app. If you deleted the original photo or video, open the trash or recently deleted folder. Both Android and iPhone keep deleted media there for a limited time, making this the quickest way to recover your accidentally deleted WhatsApp status. If you can't find your deleted WhatsApp status videos or photos in the gallery, the next place to check is your phone's file manager. Sometimes the original status media is still stored locally on your device, even if it's no longer visible in your gallery. Open your file manager and navigate to the WhatsApp media folders shown on the screen. Then tap the 3-dot menu and enable Show Hidden Files. Once hidden files are visible, open the .statuses folder. If your deleted status is still stored locally, you will find it here and can simply copy it to another folder to restore it. If you still can't find it, go back and open the WhatsApp video folder and select Sent to check if your deleted WhatsApp video status is there. For deleted WhatsApp photo statuses, open WhatsApp images, then select Sent to see if the original images are still available. If the original file is gone, your next option is restoring a backup. Android users can restore deleted WhatsApp status from a Google Drive backup, while iPhone users can restore from an iCloud backup. Just make sure the backup was created before the status was deleted. Keep in mind that restoring a backup replaces your current WhatsApp data with the version stored in that backup. To do this, simply uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp from your Android or iPhone and restore your WhatsApp data. Here's the trick that most people don't know. If you enabled Instagram story or Facebook story sharing from WhatsApp status privacy settings before posting your status, there's a chance your status was automatically shared and saved in your Instagram story archive. Simply open Instagram, go to your profile, tap the menu, then open archive and check your story archive. One important thing to remember is that this only works if your original status was 1 minute or shorter. WhatsApp doesn't allow status videos longer than 1 minute to be shared directly to Instagram stories, so longer videos won't appear in your archive. If none of the previous methods work, your final option is to use a dedicated WhatsApp data recovery tool. For this video, I am using iTool Lab Recover Go for WhatsApp, which is available for both Android and iPhone. Start by installing Recover Go on your computer. Then select Recover Deleted WhatsApp Data from Device. Connect your phone using a USB cable, and if you are using Android, enable USB debugging when prompted. Once Recover Go detects your device, click Recover WhatsApp and let the software scan your phone for deleted WhatsApp data. After the scan is complete, open the Status tab to look for your deleted WhatsApp status files. Preview the photos or videos you want to restore. Select them and click Recover to save them to your computer. So before giving up on your deleted WhatsApp status, remember to check your gallery, file manager, backups, and even your Instagram story archive before trying data recovery software. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor for more simple data recovery tutorials.